What's going on, YouTube? We got a little project today. I ordered this perforated leather, black leather with red stitching steering wheel cover for my car back in December. The steering wheel that comes on the Mazda 6s, the leather on it, it is what it is. But it's getting to the point now that it needs to be covered up. So what we're gonna do today, what we're gonna attempt to do today, is get this steering wheel cover on. It's a needle and thread kit, and I don't know. We're gonna see how it turn out. See if it works. If it does, good for me. If not, I don't know. So let's get to it. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do first is that I'm gonna wipe it down with some IPA pads. And one way that you know that you've cleaned it well is that the shine and sheen will go dull. And that's how you know you've gotten all the grease and oils and silicone based stuff off of whatever you're wiping it on. And hopefully this looks OEM to the place where nobody paid any attention to it, because it matches the perforated leather seats and the red stitching that is all throughout the GT interior. I think the Grand Touring is the only trim that has the black perforated with the red leather stitching. Right, so the leather on the cover actually matches the indents on the steering wheel. So, does it? Maybe the stretch. I don't know. I'm new at this. I'm not a upholstery shop. I'm not a seamstress. So, I'm learning with y'all. If y'all are watching this as a how-to video, before you buy one of these, I'm sorry. This might not be the best video for you to watch for reference. This might not be the reference video that you're looking for. Maybe it'll help you. Maybe you'll just get a good laugh from it. I don't know. But I'm just trying to get this to where I guess it needs. Oh, this feels nice. Oh man, this leather feels really nice. I hope it's leather. I don't know what it is, but it feels nice. It feels nice as hell. I was gonna go with the Alcantara, but as much as what I drive, I don't know the quality of the Alcantara, what it would have been, and how it would have held up with me driving this thing every day. So I just went with the leather because I figured that would hold up a little bit better and look better over time. It seems like everything is centered for the most part. I want to make sure that it starts good, so that way it ends good. All right, let's see what we're working with. So going to cuff the leather first. And just gonna kind of go from there. I don't know. Alright, so that's this is what I'm gonna do with this tape. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it around the edges. That way it'll help hold the edges down. Oh, come on. Why do things always drop in between the seats? Perfect. It only took 2 days. Alright, so I guess I need to thread the needle. Alright. Well, let's see. I don't know. How many tries does it take to tie a double knot? Alright. He did kind of this loopy. I guess to kind of tie this end off. I guess to make sure that this end doesn't come loose. Which I mean, makes sense. This video might not make it. Alright, switch all the head cam because my phone died. So I'm on the struggle bus. I got this part done right here. It don't look the prettiest, it ain't the tightest, but I'm gonna move on to this side and see what we can make happen. I'm sure by now I have probably unconvinced anybody on doing this, but I'm not a tedious project person. I don't like projects like this, and this is not my choice of projects. It's little intricate things like this is not what I like to do. So let's get started. I'll be making a follow-up video in a few months telling you how the Joker did unravel. That one looks better than this one, but I ain't going back and redoing this one. Nope. Sure ain't. Alright, now that looks pretty good. I ain't gonna fake the font. Now I need a whole lot because I'm gonna do this all in one piece. One piece of thread. What time is it? I'm gonna do this all in one piece, so I'm about to do like a hella long piece. Alright. Let's get back on it. Excuse me. Oh, I tell you what though, they send you enough thread to do 4 steering wheels. I tell you that, boy, they send you enough to mess up a couple of times. Which depends on how good. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take that right there and put it up somewhere just in case I decide to come back and redo this, which I doubt that I will decide to come back and redo this. That corner right there is all jacked up for some reason. This one's fine. This one's jacked up. It's all bunched up. I don't know why. Quite frankly, I don't care, but this does look nice though. It'll look factory. It'll look factory enough. won't nobody notice it. It's kind of one of those OEM plus upgrades, you know, the ones that people don't notice because it matches so well. So that's kind of what I go for. I don't like stuff to be, I don't like for my stuff to be over the top. I'd like my stuff to kind of blend in, and then the people who know, or people who have the car, or people who are familiar would notice the subtle stuff done to it. It's probably way too much, but I'd rather have way too much than not enough of this string, because I want to be able to do this bad boy in one piece, and I'm sure I have way too much. 2 hours later, it might be time to thread the needle. Hold on, y'all gonna have to go somewhere. I can't see diddly squat jack. Then I got y'all on my head, so I don't know where y'all need to go, but y'all need to go somewhere. I doubt that I terminated this end correctly, but it's terminated. I think I terminated my little scissors too, so I don't see them getting through. It looks, these corners look terrible. Like, this is probably the best looking one right here. This looks okay, that looks terrible. This looks okay, that looks terrible. This corner looks terrible. But it is what it is at this point. All right, so project stitched steering wheel. Done. So looks pretty good. Is this lens dirty? Hold on, let me help y'all out for a second. Oh, there we go. All right, looks pretty good. It was $26 shipped from China. I got it back in the middle of December, just now installing it. 3 hours. Looks and feel better than the factory 6-year-old leather wrap steering wheel. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible enough to where I would take it off and redo it. If I took it off, it would stay off. I probably wouldn't put it back on. I'm just gonna be honest with you. But everything tucks well. I did end up using that tape. Where is it at? I ain't even see what it say. Oh, well, hell, I can't read it. I ended up putting the tape around here. I put it on the back side. I put a piece, I wrapped it around the side to there, and I put a piece around the side to here to just help keep it from coming loose. I didn't put any on the backs, but just here, around there, and there, and I could tell a huge difference with it keeping from trying to come out the inseams, the creases, whatever. I got the red stitching. I just did it so that it just kind of matches and have a couple of red accents that y'all would see in my walk around video, or y'all have seen walk around video. I don't know which one of these is getting posted first, but all in all, I dig it. I like it. If you got a couple hours, a whole lot of patience, I say go forward. So for this video, I'm out. See y'all in the next one. Oh yeah, and as far as this China leather stitched steering wheel cover install, I'm gonna give you one piece of advice. If you're gonna do it yourself, take the steering wheel off.